You search for how to buy shares of NRG Energy Inc. NRG is an energy company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker NRG, and this quick guide is educational and not financial advice. You need a broker account to buy shares. I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After signing up, you usually verify your account with an ID and add funds before trading. Use the platform search box and type the ticker NRG to find the company. Select the result that shows NRG on NASDAQ to ensure you have the correct listing. On the asset page, review the company summary and the recent price chart to confirm the details. Double-check the exchange is NASDAQ and the ticker NRG so you are on the right stock. Tap Invest or Buy. Enter the amount you want to commit, then review the order and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may fill at the next open, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. After the trade, your new position will appear in your portfolio. Find the eToro link in the description if you want to follow the same steps.